Hello and welcome to today's course. My name is Anas and this is Kamila, and today we're going to be learning together and dancing together the basis of all dances, the English Waltz.
English Waltz, it's a beautiful, elegant and slow dance that originated in Europe.
Usually the music of waltz is played in many different events such as balls or weddings, so make sure that you stick with us to the end of this course so you learn all about the waltz and you can impress everyone around you.
By the end of this lesson, you will know how to dance a basic step with or without a partner with a beautiful and elegant timing of waltz.
And without further ado, let's get started right away. In order for us to learn how to dance the waltz, we need to learn how to dance the basic step of it. Now, I'll be demonstrating for you the man's part, so gentlemen, grab your dance shoes and follow up with me. The basic step that we're going to be learning today is the most important step in a waltz. We call it the box step. So basically what we're going to be doing is drawing a little box underneath us. Now, gentlemen, make sure you always start with your left foot forward whenever you're going to start dancing in American style. And the box step goes something like that. So we're going to step one step forward using the left foot, and then we're going to take one side step and then together. Take your right leg backward, step back, and then side together. As you see, we draw a little box. One more time. We're starting with the left, side, together, right backward, right, side, together. One more time. Left, side, together, and then back, side, together. So we draw the little box. Now, don't rush, don't panic. Make sure that you take your time each step at the time. Now we're going to add the count of the waltz to it. So it goes, it's very simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make sure on the count of 3 that you take your time to let your body switch weight comfortably. One more time, it goes 1, 2, together, hold it, back, side, together. And with the time, you'll be able to dance it much faster and according to the music. Now, let's try it from another perspective. So gentlemen, from this perspective, it will be much easier for you to follow up with me. Now, we're starting with the left foot forward. We go 1, and then side, together, and then right backward, right, side, together. One more time. Forward, side, together, and right backward, right, side, together. Try to get yourself comfortable with the side large steps because the waltz is all about large steps. The forward and backward step, they don't have to be as big, but make sure that you step comfortably. An example goes forward, side, together, back, side, together. It adds flawless to the movement.
So ladies or the followers, now I'm going to be demonstrating for you the basic waltz step. What we're going to do is the natural opposite, which means we're going to use our right leg. So naturally, we're going to step back with the right. Now we're going to go to the side and together. We're going to go forward with the left. Left, side, together. We're going to repeat that action one more time. So we're preparing our right leg and we're stepping back. Back, side, together, forward with the left, side, together. Beautiful. Now I'm going to demonstrate from the other side. Again, we're going to use our right leg and we're stepping back, side, together, forward with the left, side, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, right leg steps back and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And very important part, when you dance waltz, imagine that you are just dancing as if you're walking on the street. That means anytime you're stepping forward or the back, it's a heel step. So you're going forward with the heel. When you're stepping back, it's just natural as if you are walking, right? Forward and back. So don't worry about any technique. And now we're going to be demonstrating for you the box step with a partner.
And now we're going to be starting with a practice dance hold. So the practice dance hold, basically you're going to hold the elbow of your partner All right, and the lady will be slightly to the right side of the gentleman. As you see from here, the lady is a little bit slightly to the right side of the gentleman. And now we're going to be doing the box step. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And now we're going to be moving towards the proper dance hold. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with so-called 3 points of contact. So gentleman extends his left hand, I extend my right hand, and we connect. That's a point number 1. Number 2, we're going to slightly come closer to each other. Gentleman places his right hand on my shoulder blade and my left hand connects on his shoulder muscle. Make sure that we're going to stay slightly towards gentleman's right side and connect to the partner.
And before you start dancing, make sure that you keep a little bit of space so both of you get comfortable, and make sure that you keep your shoulders down. You don't want to keep them like that. Just relax and do your box step.
And very important part, ladies, in waltz you don't like your partner, so keep your head slightly to the left side as if you're looking diagonal.
It goes the same thing for men.
And now we're going to try with our box step and go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And now we're going to demonstrate for you from this side, and we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And now we're going to combine everything that we've learned in today's lesson with the music. Thank you so much for watching this dance tutorial. For the next video, you're going to be learning how to dance the beautiful underarm turn.
And make sure that you're going to click to the next video, so you're going to be able to learn how to combine the underarm turn with the box step that you've learned today. And make sure that you're going to be watching the whole course of the waltz dance, and you'll be impressed of the things that you can do. Get up and practice, and see you in the next video.